Hello guys, welcome back to MBC. Today we are going to make a simple password generator. This will use two important modules in Python, meaning the random module and the string module. I have already told how to import modules into Python, so I will not go over them again.
Now we'll create a function called password generate or generate password. This will be the function which will generate the password for us. So first we have to define the function before we can use it. So we'll create two variables inside the function called characters and password. The first variable called characters will help us to get the password. In the characters variable, we need to use the string module. So the string modules string.ascii letters and string.digits and string.punctuation. These are the three things we will use. The string.ascii letters is the function which allows us in Python to get the letters displayed on the screen in random succession as it is with string digits, and the string punctuation is for the special characters like the question mark and etc. So after this we are going to create the password variable. In the password variable we'll join all the three types of string functions we have used. So we'll write inverted comma twice, then dot join, then create a bracket and enter random.choice, and then in brackets write character, the variable. Now we'll create a loop with the for in range command. What this will do is it will check if the password variable is in range, and if it is not, it will stop the loop. And if it continues the loop, it will add more and more characters to the variable. Now in brackets we'll write length. This is the variable we'll get the user to input. But if the user doesn't input any type of length or range, we'll just assume it as 12. Because of which we have in the starting given length as 12. Then we'll just print your password is, and then the password. We'll not use the percentage because while using the percentage it will create a reference, and in references the variables need to be only letters, but in this case they could be even special characters or numbers. We'll use the try command to create a loop in which the user will input, or if the user inputs the range of the password, So we'll write try length is equal to int because the range should be in numbers. Length is equal to int input, then the prompt will give the user to inform them to get the range to us. Now we'll create an if statement. If length is lesser than 6, which it if the user enters it as lower than 6, will print please pick a number greater than 6 because in most sites or websites the password needs to be greater than 6 for security reasons. We will also create an else statement. Else generate password, the function we created before. The generate password function we created before also included the print command, so we'll not have to write that again. And we'll also call another command called accept value error, because in the accept value error command it can help us to put some error protection in our code. If there is a value error, we'll just print or prompt the user to pick a number suitable for the password generator. This is the code finished, guys. Please make sure to like and subscribe if you have managed to learn anything from this video. As you can see, if even enter a very big number, it will still generate the password for us. And even if we enter a small digit like 12, it will also generate the password for us.